I wanted to give you a quick little video with some tips and tricks about how to win your favorite auction items at our online auctions starting today. So first of all, if you haven't already, make sure you go to openschooloc.com/gala2020. It will lead you to this website. If you haven't registered, click the register now and go ahead and create yourself an account. If you've already registered, you can click on the bid now button. Either way, you're going to end up at our online auction website. Now, on the home page, you're going to see all of the auction items listed. So everything from raffle tickets to donations to bigger and small items. You'll see there's little tags on them. The ones that you've bid on and you're the top bidder, you're going to have winning. If you've been outbid, it will say outbid. And the ones that aren't quite open yet, but will be opening soon, will have a little opening tag. So there's some ways to sort through this to make it a little bit easier for you. First of all, right now, I would recommend going in and checking out the different items and saying what you think you would be interested in. I'm definitely interested in this hairdryer, so I'm going to put a little star on it. Anything else that you're interested in, you go ahead and star it. And then when you want to see all of your favorites, you can click on the favorites button and all of your favorites will show up, and it just sort of helps sort those things out. Another way to sort is by going to these three bars on the top left and then clicking things. You can look at different categories. For example, let's see what the recreation and travel category have. So you might say, oh, I didn't even see these Magic Mountain tickets. I'm going to favorite those. And then, of course, if something's open that you're interested in, just go ahead and click it and start bidding now. We did start auction items today, and we're going to add in all the rest of them tomorrow, except for 3. I'm going to talk about those in a second. So when you are bidding, here's another trick. It's the bid more button. So let's say I really want this adventure for little ones with Pretend City and Adventure City and all of these great things. But I'm not able to just keep checking on my bids and making sure that I'm winning. So instead of clicking the minimum bid number, I'm going to click bid more. And now I can just place a higher bid and say, you know what, I'm just going to see if anyone will outbid me at $175. Or instead, if I want to say, you know what, the maximum I'm willing to pay is $235, I'm going to set my max bid at that number. Then the system will be my bidding assistant and will bid for me up to that amount. And then I don't have to keep checking it. If I do get outbid, I will get a notification. By the way, if you registered and you gave your mobile number, you will get a text notification when you are outbid. If you did not, you will get an email notification. So make sure to check those when you are outbid so that you can win your items. Some other things to know up here. You can also click to see what are the things you've bid on, so you can keep an eye on those things and make sure that you are winning them. You can also look to see what has no bids right now. So maybe you want to pick up a really good deal and you want to look at, hey, what is no one bidding on right now? And maybe I can get a really good deal on those things. Now, I want to tell you about the 3 items that I mentioned that are not going to open until Saturday. These are our live auction items. They're tickets for 5 to Disneyland and California Adventure, a weekend at Wyndham Resort in Indio, and a stay-at-home bundle. These 3 items are actually going to open at 12:30 on Saturday, so just a little bit before our live stream starts, and they will close during the live stream. That means they're going to be open for just about 1 hour. The rest of the things are open for 1 or 2 days. So these are open only for 1 hour. If you are interested in those items, I highly recommend that you star them and that you check in on them and set a max bid amount. You really need to be on your game to be able to win those 3 items. They are our most desirable items in the auction. Okay, guys, I think that covers it. Right now, go ahead and favorite your things, bid on the stuff that's open that you want. Oh, you can also click here and see what's currently open. So that you can only, if you just want to start bidding right away, you can see what's open right there. We can also see, if other people are winning certain things. Right here, it'll show us. And, you can see your favorites. What other things? Opening soon. So you can also see the stuff that's not quite open, but will be opening soon. So take a look at the auction items, you guys. I'm really excited about Saturday. I'm looking forward to virtually seeing you all at 1 o'clock for our Mad Hatter live stream tea. Thanks. Bye.